Well, hello everyone. I'm just going to make this short video. I'm quite excited about just to show you these two pigeons. They're Janssen's. The cockbird and this checker. I'm going to pair it up with one of the tiger grizzles to see what happens with them. Just want to strengthen up their bloodline and yeah. But I'm just pretty excited about these two birds. They were injured a while back ago by hawks, and they've recovered quite well. And now I'm gonna use them as stock birds. They're really nice looking birds, very beautiful, very beautiful birds. I don't usually name them, but the checker's name is Eureka. Yeah, so they're going to be my stock birds, or some of my stock birds. We'll see what we get out of these beautiful birds. Well, it's useless to use them for anything this season, so it's going to be next season for some beautiful young chicks come out of these birds. And another thing I just want to show you. I don't think I can grab this like that, but yeah, she's got really nice pink flesh, but I can't hold the phone at the moment, but he's a very nice bird. If you can see, it's pretty hard to do it this way. I've got to get some sort of an app or something to get a proper, yeah, look at it. Oh, it's a nice bird, very nice bird. Very nice bird. Yes. Oh, here you go. You're in here now for a while. There you go. What a beautiful bird. And this one too. Now this checker's a nice bird. I want to pair it up with one of the tiger grizzles and darken up the colour a little bit. But it's a beautiful Janssen, you know. There you go. Well, that's all I wanted to show you guys. They're in the stock loft now. Very nice birds. Yep. I'll get some really nice birds out of these guys. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, there they are. Lovely birds. Beautiful birds. Yes. Okay. That's it. Thank you. Bye.